Hey guys, in this one I'm going to be removing the engine and transaxle out of this 63 Chevy Corvair that I have in preparation for putting in this this bigger, newer engine that I have for it. So we're going to go ahead and get the airplane pulled out, get some things moved around, and jump right in. All right, got it all in position, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it jacked up and just start tearing it apart. This is gonna be less of a how-to video, more just kind of a vlog, but yep, not too bad. Got a few things to unhook up here, take some baffles off, take some cables and linkages, and then pull out the axles a little bit, undo the transaxle, and it should pop on right out of there. All right, well, I got most everything removed up here. Removed carburetors, generator, fuel lines, carburetor linkage, just kind of miscellaneous stuff here and there. And so I'm gonna jump underneath. I'm gonna remove this rear grille back here, this exhaust system, transmission linkage, rest of the fuel lines, a few baffles there on the sides, and then I slide the axles out, undo the motor mounts, and drop this thing out of here. So we'll give it a shot. Alright, I should have everything disconnected here. Got the axles out, everything's unhooked. Just pulled the cotter keys out of the motor and transmission mounts. So I'm gonna get my jack up in here and pull those nuts, and hopefully we should just drop this thing right on out of here. is.
There he is.
Dropped right out of there just like we planned on it. Nothing hung up or anything. So it's got this weird kind of oil filler tube on it that, as you can see, is too tall to slide out, so I either got to take it off or I may just go ahead and jack the car up. It just might be a little quicker. There it is. Got it all out. Well, got the motor out. I'm gonna go ahead and get it all cleaned up, do a few things, fix a few things, and I will see you guys in the next one, where we will be reinstalling a new motor in here.